This 40-foot modular two-story beach home is a compact, stylish solution for anyone looking to live comfortably in a small space. Designed with families in mind, it offers a smart, expandable layout that includes one bedroom, a fully equipped kitchen, and a separate wet and dry bathroom. The ground floor spans 320 square feet, giving more room than typical foldable homes. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, and every door comes with a lock for added security. There's even a smaller window in the shower room and a glass entry door to the bathroom for a touch of elegance. Inside, the bathroom features cabinets, a water heater, toilet, sink, mirror, and a private shower area. The kitchen is ready to go with cabinets, a sink, and hot and cold water pipelines. The structure is built to last with double-glazed PVC sliding windows and secure aluminum doors. The steel frame is strong and stable, and the walls and roof are insulated with flame-retardant foam panels for excellent thermal and sound protection. Technically, the house is packed with durable materials: glass wool insulation, moisture barriers, cement board flooring, and PVC tiles. It's built to handle tough weather, with fire-rated Class A materials, wind resistance up to level 11, and earthquake resistance up to level 9. The exterior color can be customized to match personal taste. Assembly is required, but it's designed to save on labor and materials. It works well in both urban and remote locations, making it ideal for temporary stays or long-term living. If the double-story setup isn't preferred, the containers can be placed side by side for a different look. With its rust-proof and weather-resistant design, this house is ready for almost any terrain. Just remember to clear snow off the roof if it piles up too high. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.